Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup video for you, and hopefully I'm going to be transforming from this to this. And yeah, I just saw this picture the other day and I thought I was kind of like obsessed with this look, so I thought I would try do it myself. So I'm going to be doing the makeup and the hair hopefully, and yeah, let's just get into it. So I'm just going to scrape all my hair back. Okay, so by no means am I a makeup artist, so please don't take anything that I'm doing as gospel. So I've prepped my skin. I used the La Roche-Posay moisturiser, and then I've gone in with the Becca Skin Love Elixir, which is like the Glow Elixir, which is a really nice product. Then I'm just going to go in with this Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector, because she's got like quite a matte look, so I'm not really into the matte look, I'll be honest. I'm kind of over that vibe, but we'll do it for you, Kim. We'll do it for you. So I'm just going to go down the T-zone basically, because that's kind of where I get oily. If I'm looking down, it's because I've got a mirror there, because not gonna lie, I can't really see what I'm doing in this viewfinder. But this is a really nice primer. It's actually like quite cooling on your skin, and it does really like smooth out your pores. So if you've got big pores or you just like that matte look, this is a nice primer for you. And I'm going to start with my brows. So the brow products that I'm going to use are all Benefit products. So I use the 24-hour brow setter, which is just a clear brow gel, and then I use the brow microfilling pen, which is just like literally a brow pen, and it has like three little nibs that you can just fill in your brows with. So I just do that. I'm just gonna I'm just gonna gel up my brows. I like to just set them in place first, and then I can go back and fill them in. So once I've just kind of set them, I'll just go back through and just fill in the gaps. Once you're happy with that, I'm just going to then go through and carve them out. So I'm just taking the Becca Ultimate Coverage Long Wear Concealer. This is my favourite concealer in the shade Latte. And then I'm just going to take my beauty blender and then just blend that out. And then we're just ready to start the eyeshadow. Okay, to start with the eyeshadow, I'm just going to go through my crease with the MAC Give Me Some bronzer. It's just like a nice warm kind of orangey brown colour. So I'm just going to lightly go through there. I kind of use this colour every day, to be honest. It's just kind of like my go-to. But it kind of looked like she had like a nice warm tone through the top. Using the Morphe Jeffree Star brush, which I don't think you can get anymore. Awkward. I'm just building that up till I've got the colour that I'm happy with. So she had quite a muted eye, like it wasn't really anything too dramatic, which I like. I'm kind of over that bold look, and I'm just kind of bringing it out because she had a wing liner, so I'm just kind of blowing that out. Okay, so then I'm going to actually go in with the Morphe Madison Beer palette, which is a really lovely palette. I've actually lost the sheet, but I'm gonna go in with this colour right here. That's annoying that I've lost the sheet. Can't remember what any of the names are called, sorry. These are really pigmented, so give it a good tap. And I'm just gonna put that on the lid because she had like a darker shade. These are really nice colours. I'm using one of the Madison brushes from the set. These aren't numbered, but they came in like a white bag, the set that you can get from her collection. I think you get like 6 brushes. So I'm just going to extend that out like I did with the bronzer. And I'm just going to go back through with my other brush that I had the bronzer with, just to blend the 2 colours together. And then that's all I'm literally going to do for the eyeshadow, because she didn't really have crazy colours on her eyes. Next I'm just going to do the wing eyeliner. So I actually use a bit of tape just to help me get like a really nice sharp line. And then I'm using the Bobbi Brown Longwear Gel Eyeliner in Sepia Ink, which is just like a nice dark brown eyeliner. So I'm just going to go off camera and do that because it's probably going to take me a while to get it nice and sharp. And then I'm going to do the other eye, and then I'll come back and show you what that looks like. So here's both eyes complete. Now I'm just going to go in with some mascara. This is the Air Volume mascara from L'Oreal. So I'm just going to put a bit of this on, and then I'm going to go in with some lashes. Okay, the lashes are now on, and now I'm going to move on to base. So I'm going to just start with a bit of the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter in shade 3. So I'm just going to put that on the high points. And then just a little bit along the bottom. And I'm just going to buff that in. For my foundation, I'm going to be using the Becca Skin Love in the shade Buff. And then I've just mixed a tiny little bit of the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturiser in the shade Fawn. So once you've buffed all that into the skin, we're going to go back in with the concealer. So the Becca concealer. And just going to conceal under the eyes. Obviously she is a very like contoured look. So I'm just taking it under my eyeliner and then pulling it upwards. Just going to do it along the bridge of my nose. I'm just going to leave that to like set before I blend it in. And then for contour, I'm going to use the Fenty contour stick in the shade Suede. So I'm just going to do that around here. Obviously I do not have her bone structure. To blend in the contour, I'm going to use this Fenty brush. I think this is actually the foundation brush, but I use it for the contour. So I'm just going to blend in. I really love these contour sticks. They're really nice. They're really like creamy. Always push your contour up, don't drag it down, because that's going to make you look like you've got a saggy face. And you never want to pull it this way either. Don't worry if you're thinking, oh my god, that looks a bit wild. It will all come together once you've blended your concealer. I just leave my concealer to set because it just, the product works better once it's a bit more tacky. So you just want to take your beauty blender and then blend out all your concealer. Set my under eye, I'm going to be using the Flower powder from Beauty Bakery. I think this is, yeah, just a translucent one. So I'm taking this Zoeva brush, 135. Ooh, I just like this one because it's like a tapered one. You can just kind of get right in there. Just set all that. I don't really bake. I just like to kind of pat it in. I mean, Kim probably does do really bake that because she likes that kind of white under eye, doesn't she? But I'm not doing that today. Then I just like to do a little bit under the contour. Any of the high points basically, you just want to set with that powder. Then for the rest of the face, I actually set with this Becca powder, the Soft Light Blurring powder in Golden Hour. And I just use the Zoeva powder brush 106, which is nice, kind of like golden powder. Just dust it over, just lightly, and then just going to go back in with my bronzer, the MAC Give Me Sun, just at the very top of that contour, just to, and then just pat over the where I've gone over, not too much because obviously I don't want to look crazy. Okay, for highlighter, it didn't really look like she had much along her cheekbones, more just kind of down the bridge of her nose. And blush, it was very like pinky, so I'm going to use this Becca highlighter in Opal because it's the more pinkier one that they do. So I'm just going to put some on the edge of my nose. Just along there, down the bridge. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the A23 brush. Just lightly across there on the high point. I'm just going to dust very gently over my cheekbones, just so I don't look flat. Blush, I'm going to go in with this Kiko blush. This is an old blush, to be fair, Ocean Feel. It's a really nice blush, so I'm just gonna dust. This is a Chanel brush, the blusher brush from Chanel. Just gonna warm over my cheeks. I don't really have a really light pinky blush like her, so. Do you know what it looks like? It looks like that Dandelion blush from Benefit. Not a fan. I'll be honest, not my favourite look. Okay, and then we just have lips. Lips, I'm going to be using KKW products. So I'm going to be using lip liner in number 1 and the lipstick in number 1. So I really love these. I got these recently and I really like them. Okay, that's the lips done. I'm just going to go under the under eye with that same colour that we did on the lid. just to finish eye. Okay, there we go. That is my makeup done. I'm gonna go off and do my hair and put on an outfit, and then I will show you the finished look. That is the end of my transformation video. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already and give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!